Hello, Brennan Taylor with Illume Property Partners. We are a general contractor. We do kitchen, bath, remodels, decks and fences, interior and exterior painting, pressure washing, you name it, we do it. It's a partnership, really, when we work with our clients. The remodeling process is a long process. It does take time from start to finish, and our main goal is to make sure that they're 100% satisfied with the end product.
So normally when we talk to a client, we start talking about the entire project. We create a budget and we ask them to send us over inspirational pictures or Pinterest boards of what they're looking to achieve in their space. And then we go from there and recommend different options and start advising or recommending on the design based on the entirety of the project, not just the space.
Our goal as a company with our clients is to be a partner for life, not just once the job is done, but even for future repairs or future projects for themselves or for their family or neighbors. When a customer is trying to make a decision on a project, they should always compare apples to apples. They need to make sure that the scope of work that the general contractors are supplying are the same. We can assist our client or our customer creating a scope of work for a project that they would like to do, whether they go with us or not. But you want to make sure that the scope of work is the same so that you can verify you're getting what you asked for. So I've been in the construction field for over 25 years now, and a lot of my subs I've had relationships with for 5, 6, 7 years, some of them even longer. We vet our subs and we make sure that they do a good quality job and that they stand behind their work. Our customers should trust us because we truly care. We want to be there for our customers. We want to make sure that the customer is happy when they leave and, like I said, keep a long-term partnership.